Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Well, my name is Jumriani. I'm in 5th semester. Now I want to explain about vowel sound. In this book, there are many vowel sound, but here I want to explain from unit 7 until unit 17. Okay, we start from the sound seems like people mouth slightly open. Seems like uh, uh, this example in the word up, up, under, long. The example in sentence seems like the dog is under the rock. The dog is under the rock. The dog is under the rock. Okay, we move to unit 8. The sound is okay, move to unit 8. The mouth is lower your jaw slightly. Seems like that. Uh, 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 yeah. For example, in word, any, stare, stare, stare. For example, in sentence, seems like let's rent a tent. Let's rent a tent. Seems like that. Let's rent a tent. Okay. Okay, move to unit 9. To pronounce the sound from unit 9, you move round them a circle. Seems like O, O. For example, in word, we can say over, zero, up. Once again, up, over, zero. Okay, for example, in sentence, we can say, oh no, don't go. Oh no, don't go. Seems like that. Okay, we move to unit 10. The sound is produced from two combination with beginning from sound O and ending from sound E. And then we combine become oi, oi, oi. Seems like that. The example from this word seems like boy, 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 boil, boil. And then you can and also toy, 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 boy. Seems like that. And then the example from sentence, we can say Roy's toys are noisy. Roy's toys are noisy. Roy's toys are noisy. Seems like that. Okay, we move to unit 11. To pronounce this sound, your mouth keep your jaw a way open. Seems like that. Air, air, air. Seems like that. For example, in word, rain, rain, and then fakes, fakes, fakes. Seems like that. For example, in a sentence, seems like we are in need of a tank of gas. We are in need of a tank of gas. We are in need of a tank of gas. We are in need of a tank of gas. Seems like that. Okay, we move to unit 12. For pronounce this sound, we have two combinations. We start from A, A, and then E, 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 and so become A, A, A. Okay, seems like that. And then for example in word we can say A, A, face, face, A, A, face. Okay, we move to the example from in sentence. It rained 8 days. It rained 8 days. Seems like that. It rained 8 days. Okay, we move to unit 13. The sound is ah, ah. For example, in the word off, 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 on. Seems like that. The example in sentence we can say draw water from the faucet. 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 Seems like that. Okay, we move to unit 14. The sound ah, ah, ah. Okay. For example, in word we can say bad, bad, cat, cat. Okay, seems like that. Bad, cat, cat. Okay, seems like that. And next, the example from sentence we can say the pet cat, the pet cat sat on the bed. The pet cat sat on the bed. Okay, seems like that. Okay, we move to unit 15. This sound produced by two combination. The first style mode we can say ah, ah, ah. Seems like ah, and then we say oh, oh. When become ow, ow. Seems like the example from this word seems like how, 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 how. Seems like that. How, how. Seems like that. And then now, now. Seems like that. Now, now. For example, in sentence seems like how's the sauerkraut? How's how's the sorry, how's the sauerkraut? How's the sauerkraut? Seems like that. Okay, we move to unit 16. The sound like ah, 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 ah. Seems like seems like example in the word option, 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 option. Seems like that. Lock, lock, lock. Seems like that. And then example in sentence we can say stop passing and come up. Stop passing and come up. Stop passing and come up. Seems like that.